dear friends! I decided to start teaching art lessons. Drawing 101 is officially available. Call me if you want to sign up for the course. Nobody is calling. Well, it is still early. No, I mustn't stare at the clock. It's torture. I'd better grab something sweet. This is getting ridiculous! Why isn't the phone ringing? A refreshing shower, just perfect. What time is it? Still nothing. Maybe they have left a message. No, nothing. Come on, ring. Finally! Hello?
Sammy, it's Roger. Is Sue home?
Roger, hang up the phone. I'm waiting for an important call. It's devastating. Sue, nobody came.
Oh, I'm so sorry, Sammy. Don't be upset.
Never mind, genius painters are always ignored.
Let me be your first student. How did you get that idea about teaching at all?
Another successful grocery trip.
Hello, sir.
Hi, I'd like to pay for all these tasty snacks.
Okay, but that's gonna be pricey.
Wait, how much? 5,000 cat coins? Okay, it's time to turn on the charm. Can I get a discount for a friendly smile?
Look at the sign, buddy. We don't accept smiles.
Wow, tough crowd. I'll find a way to earn cat coins or I'm not Slime Sam. What's up, Sue? Hey, what you doing?
Getting ready to shoot a new episode.
Are you serious? You'll be just painting?
Yeah, why? What's wrong?
Susie, darling, let's dig deeper into how social media works. Here, this is our Slick Slime Sam channel. And here is our amazing viewer. Yeah, I'm talking about you, my dear friend. Say hi. And these are other channels that want to keep us apart. It's such a tragic love story. Anyway, my point was, what should we do to make our bond stronger? Any ideas, Sue?
It's hard to say. Tell me.
We should become a purple cow. We have to stand out amongst others. Be unique, you know?
Wow, what an amazing lesson. You're my purple cow, Sammy.
You're so sweet, and you're right. I'm the best. So, we need a unique idea for the video. Only then we'll conquer the world.
Okay, friends, get ready. This is gonna be interesting. Well, Sammy, I'm listening. What do we start with?
Let's check the materials first. A white paper sheet. Check. A glass of water. That's a good start. And we do have a paintbrush. A plan is forming. Right. All we need is food coloring.
I hope it's not some eat a drawing challenge.
What did you say?
Nothing. Food coloring also check.
A short disclaimer here. Friends, you must try this at home. It's super fun.
Let's wet the paintbrush. It's a start.
Well done, Sue. Now, draw a heart shape with a damp paintbrush. And drop paint onto it.
Ooh, I got it. Let me move the paper a bit. Awesome! Sammy, you should be an art teacher.
Actually, that sounds like a great idea. I can teach a lot of cool stuff. I'll be the first drawing slime expert in the world. Besides, I need cash to buy candy. Tutoring may help. Sue, this is it. I'm gonna start my art class.
I like the sound of this. High five. Sam, don't leave me hanging.
I give up. Art classes were the worst idea ever. What was I thinking?
There. Maybe a donut will cheer you up?
Thanks, Sue, but food won't cure this. It's a serious problem. My heart's broken. Nothing will help.
Still, let me try. Can I see that handbill you made?
Fine, but why?
Just let me see it first. Oh, well, is that really it?
No, drop it now, please. Here's the right one.
But it doesn't look like a purple cow.
What? Sue, you've lost me.
Didn't you tell me that you had to be unique to attract viewers?
Oh, right.
And there are so many art teachers in the world, agree?
And you're saying?
You have to stand out.
Should I sing during lessons? I believe I can draw. I believe I can do so much more. How's that? Will it attract students?
Let's better draw. You're an art teacher after all.
Yep, sounds good. Let's get started. And a little snack first couldn't hurt.
The art class is starting. I'll squirt glue into bowls. But that's not all. We need a special ingredient, shaving foam. And some food coloring. Let's mix it all well. Wow, it looks like green slime. Hey, Sammy, check this out. What do you think?
I'll try my own recipe. First comes whipping cream. I need more supplies. This is all I could find in my secret stash, but it's worth it. Yay! Now that's my kind of art. I'm a genius. Let's add more cream. Oh yeah. This is more like it. I feel so alive. It's so much fun. Sue, you've got to try this. My sweet mix is ready.
Thanks, Sam. It's certainly interesting. You can keep it.
Really? This is my lucky day. Yum yum.
These are the final color mixes. Let's proceed. In this picture, we can color the balloons. So what are we waiting for? Let's go. I'll use a piping bag instead of a brush. It'll give me just the effect that I want. It's time to switch colors. Let's try the green next. It's so bright. Now I'll go for the red. I'm really enjoying this. This is it!
Wow, it's better than I imagined, Sue.
Now that the paint is dry, it has become really squishy. Well, Sam's handbill is finished. Now we wait for… Oh, hold on. Hello? Okay, I'll tell him. Sam, your first call!
I'm on my way. Sam speaking. You did? You will? Wow, I can't wait. Yay, finally! Art school hunted me, Sue. I'm so nervous. Ow, what will I wear? Will they like me?
Such good news! Congratulations!
Shiver me, Cheddars. Purple cow really worked. I better get ready. Sue, we should come up with more art hacks. Friends, see you next time. Bye!
I had the best day today. Bye, friends. Sammy, wait for me.